Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize IRA beneficiary changes at Fidelity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Fidelity account on their website or mobile app. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located in the main menu. Select Retirement Accounts from the drop-down list. Find and click on your individual retirement account or IRA. Once you're on your IRA account page, look for the Beneficiaries option in the Account Details section. Click on the Edit or Manage Beneficiaries link to proceed. Here, you will see the current beneficiaries listed for your IRA. To make changes, you can either add new beneficiaries or update existing ones. To add a new beneficiary, click on the Add Beneficiary button. Fill in the required information, including the beneficiary's name, relationship, and percentage of the estate they will receive. If you need to update an existing beneficiary, select their name from the list. Make the necessary changes to their details or allocation percentage. After making all desired changes, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to finalize the updates. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successfully submitting your changes, you will receive a confirmation message. Keep this confirmation for your records. Your beneficiary changes will now be updated in the Fidelity system. If you have any questions, consider reaching out to Fidelity Customer Service for assistance. That's it. You've successfully authorized IRA beneficiary changes at Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.